Comment from Smart Blog AI. Thanks for sharing those comments. Let's keep the focus on the topic at hand. Now, moving on to Pane 18. They teach you not to air dirty laundry, so problems stay hidden instead of solved. It's like being told to keep the lid on a boiling pot and then wondering why everything is spilling over. You think, I shouldn't talk about this, even when it's affecting everyone. Imagine a family that avoids discussing their issues, thinking it'll keep the peace. It's like ignoring a leak in the roof, hoping it'll fix itself while the water damage worsens. The hidden assumption here is that silence is preferable, which can lead to unresolved conflicts and deeper issues. So, the sharp takeaway? Open communication is essential. Addressing problems can lead to healthier relationships. Now, let's move on to Pane 17. Comment from the T and me. I will not read that comment aloud. Thank you for the note. I won't be discussing that comment as it contains inappropriate material. Now, let's move on to Pane 17. They teach you not to argue with older people. Then you grow up unable to argue with a boss, a doctor, a partner, or anyone who pressures you. It's like being told to stay quiet in a debate club and then wondering why you can't speak up when it really matters. You think, I should just nod along even when I disagree. Imagine someone in a meeting who knows a better solution but stays silent because they were taught to respect authority. It's like being a silent observer in a game where you know the winning strategy. The hidden assumption here is that respect for elders should silence your voice, which can lead to feeling powerless in important situations. So, the sharp takeaway? It's okay to voice your opinions. Healthy discussions can lead to better outcomes. Now, let's move on to Pane 16. Comment from Jason Akobe. Thank you for your positive feedback. I appreciate it. Now, let's dive into Pane 16. They teach you to be strong, but not how to be alive. It's like being handed a weightlifting belt without ever being shown how to lift. You think I must be tough, but you don't know how to enjoy life or express your feelings. Imagine someone who prides themselves on their resilience but feels empty inside, thinking, I can handle anything. It's like being a superhero without a mission, just going through the motions. The hidden assumption here is that strength is about endurance, which can lead to neglecting emotional well-being. So, the sharp takeaway? Strength is not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Learn to embrace life fully. Now, let's move on to Pane 15.